ओम दुराधर्षाय नमः। इदं जगत् सर्वमथेदृशानि भूरीणि वा माम अभियान्तु संख्ये धान्यानि यद्वत् खलगानि मर्त्यः संचूर्णयिष्याम्यहमेक एव. This sloka from Brahmanda Purana describes the greatness and power of Lord Vishnu as he himself says, let this world or so many other worlds come to me to attack. I will pound all those words and the beings along with them, as if pounding the food grains in a grinder. So, no human force or divine force can control or subdue the Lord. No weapon or no instrument can kill me or harm me. Nobody can harm me either physically or emotionally, mentally. His amazing control over his senses is described in Bhagavata. Ordered by Indra, the king of heavens, the Cupid came there along with Vasanta, the presiding deity of spring, and so many other nymphs, and tried to hit Lord Narayana with his arrows and the arrows of flowers as well. The other Apsaras also tried to hit him, attract him with their side glances. Stri prekshanikshurbhira vidyata tanmahidnyaha. But Lord Narayana was not disturbed and laughed hard at Manmatha, Vasanta and other Apsaras. Even in his incarnation as Krishna, he could not be seduced and disturbed by his wives. Smayavaloka lava dharshita bhavahari bhrumandala prahita saurata mantrashaundaihi patnyastu shodasha sahasra manangabanaihi yasyendriyam vimatitum karanairna shekuho. All of his 16,108 wives tried to seduce him with their enchanting smiles, side glances, and graceful behaviors, but they could not disturb his senses, his personality. That's the unshakable personality of Lord Krishna and Vishnu.